guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, I am Vida and today I'm gonna do a real quick makeup video. So I'll show you how I created this makeup look. I do this makeup look every day for my YouTube videos, even for if I'm going to work anywhere. But then the only changes I make is like eyeliner. If I go to work, I put on like really nice eyeliner, like huge. If I'm going shopping, I do my all eyes black. If I'm going like out with my friends and stuff, I just do like kajal and stuff. I make my eyes look really black. For my for my like YouTube videos, for my TikTok videos, it totally depends on what kind of videos I'm making. So depending on that, I do makeup. But since I've got some infection on my eye, I can't really do eyeliner, so I just left like this. So yeah, let's get started with the makeup. So let's start with bare face. I've got nothing. I just applied moisturizer, which is by the brand Nivea, and I've got lipstick on because my lips look very ugly without lipstick. So I've got this lipstick, which is by the brand Faces. Well, we'll start with the makeup. So I'm gonna use some random lipstick, not a brand or something. I'm gonna use this. I don't have red lipstick at the moment. I ran out of it, and yeah, anyway, I've got this pink one. Now I'm gonna use this as a corrector. Yeah, what is it? I don't know, makeup corrector, whatever, if you can understand. It's like so like wherever you have darkness, like uneven skin tone, you need to apply this like a darkness, like on my upper lip, like near the chin here, and I've got like here it's like really uneven skin over there, and on pimples, like this motherfucker pimple, it's just not going away. So I don't know what to do. If you guys have any idea to remove the pimples, or I don't know, it looks like someone hit me. But anyway, you just gotta blend it really well, otherwise it will look red, which is like awkward. Okay, so this is what my face looks like now. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna use is like Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Is the best foundation because it's very light coverage. You can use it every single day, and I use it every single day. Yeah, I like to. I'm gonna spot it on my face and then come back. So here I am. Before it dries up, I'm gonna mix it really well, put it all over my face. I don't like very high coverage. I like my skin to peek through it, so I'm not gonna use a lot. I'm gonna just blend it as much as possible. Here again, I'm gonna real quick blend it well. It's high time I should start using concealer, but then it's like too much makeup on. That's the reason I don't use it. I use foundation as concealer. I don't want to have a lot of makeup on. So now I'm gonna use my highlighter as my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use this highlighter. It's really good highlighter, but then it's like too much shimmery. Well, I like it anyway. I'm gonna use like random eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna use this shade, the pink one over here, the pink and the brown mix. I'm gonna use it right here. I'm gonna put on my mascara. I only bought one mascara over here, the rest back home. So the one I have right here is this one. It's like Blue Heaven mascara. I like the brand. Next thing is I'm gonna use a brow pencil. It's like random pencil which I bought from like some random street market. The next thing I'm gonna use like this blusher. This I bought it from Gafar Market, random street market. In Gafar Market they have like so much makeup stuff over there, and they have really good nice makeup stuff, but then you need to choose wisely because over there you also get fake products or products which will harm your skin. So you know, choose wisely and get nice products. So I'm gonna use this blusher. I'm gonna use the pink one, and I'm gonna put it right here like this all the time. I use this highlighter. I like this better. So I'm gonna use this lipstick real quick. This is by the brand Faces, like nude. I love nude lipsticks. So I'm gonna use like another lipstick over this because it's like very brown and it's clashing with my blusher, so I'm gonna neutralize it. And this is by the brand MAC, but not the original one. I bought this first copy of MAC from Gafar Market in Karol Bagh. So guys, that's it for my makeup. This is how my face looks like after I'm done makeup. It looks much better, so I'm gonna go ahead and make more videos. Have a good day, night whenever you're watching it, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.